After 2 years of construction, the newly renovated and expanded Southern Region Community Health Center in Inarajan was unveiled this morning. The new facility includes 12 exam rooms, a larger space for the pharmacy, laboratory, and billing department, and upstairs offices for MIP eligibility staff, WIC, and food stamp services. The added 10,000-gallon water tank, diesel tank, and generator will also allow the health center to function during a disaster.
We also expanded where we have 3 isolation rooms with negative air pressure. We have oxygen rooms so that patients during a disaster or storm, they can stay here 24/7 on oxygen just so that they don't need to go to the hospital.
But as Senator Dennis Rodriguez said in today's ceremony, the next step is to fill the facility with more doctors and nurses.
This is not where it ends. We need to make sure that we give the resources needed to properly staff this facility. The nurses, the physicians that are needed to really make this what it's meant to be.
And that's something that Health Center Executive Director Linda Unpingco-Dorsey says she is already working on.
We have applied for the Expanded Medical Services Grant, and that was done in December of last year. We're just waiting to hear from HRSA, and if we do get the funding for that, we're going to expand our services hopefully in the evening and or on Saturdays. And so, of course, I advocate also with the board for the legislature to support us and also give us additional funding to keep the clinic operating so that the more staff you have, the more patients we can accommodate.
The $7.8 million project was funded through the Tobacco Asset Back Bonds and 4 grants. Assistant Secretary of the Interior for Insular Affairs, Tony Babauta, and Governor Eddie Calvo delivered today's keynote addresses. Both of them emphasized that the expansion was made possible through collaborative efforts.
Go back to working together. You had a legislature working with an administration, local officials working collaboratively, working with our federal partners, not focusing on politics, but focusing on what is good for the people of Guam. And when you do that, this is the fruit of those labors.
Betsy Brown, PNC News.